are very happy to be organizing this workshop on grand challenges of computational intelligence. We are very honored to have a list of some of the world experts in computational intelligence, and hopefully these discussions and techniques that have been discussed will be disseminated and used to promote computational intelligence in the future. The idea is to bring world experts together to discuss some of the key challenges of computational intelligence. And since we were meeting here for the Executive Committee of the Computational Intelligence Society, we organized this workshop which we plan to disseminate, and with the main objective to promote the area of computational intelligence, also to funding agencies as well as to researchers around the world.
Computational intelligence is a way of borrowing from nature and coming up with solutions to difficult problems that are either nature-inspired or linguistically inspired. For instance, neural network is inspired from the topology of our brain synapses. Fuzzy sets and fuzzy logic is inspired from the linguistic way in which people communicate knowledge. And evolutionary computation is inspired by evolution through nature. So the survival of the fittest tends to create the best solutions for our problems. It sounds very esoteric, but it's really down to earth. What we have been able to do is master a set of techniques which have been translated into technologies and have a lot of applications in the real world problems. I work for General Electric, and we have many real problems that have been solved using these techniques. This workshop is an interesting idea, and not just in trying to see what we have done, but where we are going. So the challenges for the future, basically, it's a problem formulation. It's not just trying to solve the problems of the past, it's what are the new set of problems that, because of the dynamics of the world in which we live and the development of technologies, we will have to face actually sooner rather than later. And I believe, for instance, that the advent of cloud computing, that is changing business models and is changing the way services are delivered, is also going to change the way research has to be done to develop the technologies to support those services. The other factor is crowdsourcing, which is how people are now becoming an active part in the solution. There will be an indistinguishability between human and computer agents, and a nice complementarity.
Computational intelligence is a very exciting research area covered by IEEE Computational Intelligence Society. It covers two directions of research. In one direction, we can be inspired and borrow ideas from natural systems, not only biological systems, we also look at social systems, physical systems. Those inspirations help us in developing better and more efficient artificial systems, for example, new computer models and new computer algorithms. The other direction is also essential in our understanding of science and the progress of science, is to use this nature-inspired approach in understanding the natural system. Not only can we get a better understanding these complex systems like a biological brain, we can also gain insights into social systems, into physical systems, making contribution to the natural sciences. So this is a very interesting and very important interactions between two large fields. On one side, we have these computational systems, which is artificial. On the other side, we have natural systems. And computational intelligence is really linking these two sides together in a very exciting way.